Hi there. Welcome to Constructing a Business Plan and Business Plan Fundamentals. My name is Eduardo Cabral. I'm an associate partner with Triple Beam Advisors. Today, we're going to walk through exactly what a business plan is, why it matters, and how to craft one that will guide you step by step through your first 6 months of operation and beyond. If you've been dreaming about this shop for years, or if you decided to apply for a license recently, regardless, this session is for you. Now, uh, before we get started here, one thing to note is that this is a webinar. This is not legal advice, as laws can change, and I'm not a lawyer. This webinar is only for educational purposes. If you need legal advice, talk to an attorney. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a CPA. Everything here that I share with you is as is. So this is really just strategic thoughts around what are the best indicators around business plans that I've seen historically and how you can think through your business plan. So, in this workshop today, we will discuss what a business plan is, how it's more than just words on a paper, what to include, the building blocks that every plan needs, how to use a business plan, how to attract money with it, how to keep yourself on track, how to optimize your first 6 months, key benefits from clarity to risk management to easier fundraising, and other uses. Why a great business plan can become your single source of truth. All right, let's get started. What is a business plan? A business plan is your roadmap. It takes all the great ideas in your head and turns them into a clear, shareable story. You'll use it to show partners and investors exactly how you will succeed, and you'll use it to keep yourself honest month after month. Business plan is an essential tool for outlining your vision, attracting investors, securing funding, and demonstrating the long term viability of your business. A business plan has various sections, and most follow a similar outline. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, just make sure to include the sections that matter. They are an executive summary, 1 or 2 pages that outline your entire plan, your company description, your mission, your story, what makes you you, and makes your business unique. Market analysis: who's out there, what, how you're competing with them, and how you'll stand out. Market challenges and risks: a SWOT analysis, including your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and outside threats. Product and revenue streams: what items you're looking to sell, what business services you are putting together, and how you plan to make money. Marketing and sales strategy: how you'll bring customers through the door. Organizational structure: who is on your team and who owns what. What is your capitalization table? Financial projections: your forecasts and numbers. And finally, the funding request: how much money you'll need and where it will go. That will be your blueprint. Now let's go ahead and unpack each section. As you plan for the initial 6 months of your business launch, it's crucial to anticipate a distinct approach and expenditure compared to the later stages of your operation. In the first 6 months of your business opening, you're going to have to spend more money in many ways than when the business stabilizes. You'll want to describe how much money you're planning to spend when you need to open. How is that money going to be utilized? And how things are going to change once doors are open for potentially longer than 6 months. Let's delve into how these phases might differ. So during your initial launch phase, you're likely to adopt a more aggressive initial spending strategy to establish your presence and attract customers. This involves outlining your planned expenditures and how you intend to allocate these funds effectively. For instance, you'll detail the investment in areas such as marketing campaigns, initial inventory, and operational costs. This phase is characterized by heavy investment to kickstart your business and gain traction in the market. Once your business has established post-launch, your spending approach will probably go a shift. You're going to outline a more conservative expenditure plan, allocating funds based on revenue streams and growth projections. This may involve earmarking a percentage of revenue for marketing and growth initiatives, streamlining operational costs, and optimizing resources for sustainable growth. The focus here is shifting towards maximizing your efficiency and ensuring a return on investment. So let's move on to the next section of your business plan, the market challenges and SWOT analysis. So being a credible entrepreneur is being someone who knows their market better than anyone else, both good and bad. One way to communicate your knowledge is through a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is a framework by which you can share with business partners and investors your understanding of risks in the market today. The way that you structure a SWOT analysis is by drawing out 4 boxes. In each box, you add as much detail as possible so that you and an investor can understand where you fit in the market and provide any feedback or insight that those individuals may have. So here's a quick example using Apple. We have strengths, innovative design, weaknesses, high product prices, and limited accessibility. Any information that you've gone out and gathered on your own should be included here to make sure that investors know that you know both the risks and the rewards of what a successful business would look like. Whether that is justifying your location, justifying your consumer base, or justifying certain expenditures, these are good things to include. The market and sales strategy section comes next. It's going to overlap with your SWOT analysis in some ways. A market analysis is more externally focused than your own marketing and sales strategy is. So while the marketing analysis and challenges help show the landscape of your industry, your sales and marketing strategy will demonstrate how you and your business will navigate that landscape. You can include in your marketing sections things such as how much margin are you going to charge? Are you going to be as competitive as possible in pricing or charging a premium? What is your marketing spend? What are the key performance indicators of your business? And what do you anticipate your foot traffic to be? Finally, let's explore the benefits and functions of your business plan, including discussing a business's plan's role in providing direction, providing risk mitigation, supporting capital acquisition, supporting communication facilitation, and providing strategic alignment for you and your partners. We'll also distinguish between business plans and pro formas, highlighting their complementary roles in narrative strategy formulation and financial projection support. A business plan serves as a comprehensive roadmap, capturing your vision, strategies, and operational plans. It encompasses various elements, including marketing position, revenue generation strategy, and competitive advantages. A well-crafted business plan can benefit your venture by providing clarity and direction, documenting your business ideas and strategies. A business plan can give clear direction. It streamlines communications with your investors, your lenders, partners, and employees, saving time and ensuring consistency in messaging. It can also help with risk mitigation. It will support as you anticipate and address potential risks and challenges proactively. By outlining contingency plans and risk management strategies within your business plan, you inspire confidence in stakeholders and demonstrate your preparedness. It can be supportive of capital raising. A detailed business plan enhances your chances of securing funding. Investors and lenders are more likely to support ventures with clear, well thought out plans backed by realistic financial projections. Communication and collaboration. Use your business plan as a tool for fostering communication and collaboration. It serves as a foundation for discussions with potential partners, facilitating strategic alignment and identifying opportunities for constructive interaction. Foundation per projections. Your business plan will include the narrative and strategies that serve as the basis for your financial projections. These financial projections will be informed by a detailed understanding of your business model and market dynamics. As you fundraise, you'll probably get sick and tired of answering the same questions to investors and lenders repeatedly. So having a business plan creates a sole source of truth that will simplify operations for you and your partners. It helps mitigate challenges and risks and show investors that you've already thought about all the crucial aspects of your business. You can demonstrate that you have a great plan in place for all aspects of your business, from security to location and more. Lastly, getting your business plan completed will be the foundation for your pro forma. Business plans and pro formas complement each other, with the former providing a narrative description of strategies and plans, while the latter offers quantitative support, demonstrating how these strategies translate into financial outcomes. Together, they attract investors, provide a roadmap for growth, and serve as a dynamic tool for business management and decision making. Your business plan will dictate the way that you want to run your business from the beginning. And so when you bring in other partners, it makes it clear what the key components of your business are, what the key costs will be, and everything else that can be condensed. And once we have all your financial outputs and projections and assumptions, we can put that into the pro forma. That creates a document that we can plug into the end of your business plan so that you can share that model with investors and colleagues. Your business plan now includes your narrative and your projections. Fundamentally, the key difference between a business plan and a pro forma is that a business plan is going to provide much more of a narrative approach. It's going to describe in words what your strategy and plan is in a way that a pro forma can then mathematically communicate to you and other investors. Thanks for spending the last few minutes with me getting an overview of business plan fundamentals. So let's recap some key takeaways. As discussed, a business plan is a comprehensive document crystallizing all your ideas about your business vision, performance expectations, and core strengths in one place. It is a centralized single source of truth with your plans and strategies so that anyone, investors, lenders, whomever, can grasp your vision quickly. Your business plan should outline your competitive advantage, whether it is the inclusion of any unique features to your business plan. Readers should be able to gain a clear understanding of your revenue generation plans and marketing strategies, along with the details regarding fundraising efforts, anticipating fundraising amounts, and sources of financing. Additionally, it should cover how you intend to utilize those funds effectively in the sources and uses section. A well-crafted business plan brings clarity and direction to your venture, saving you considerable time by preemptively addressing frequently asked questions. It serves as a risk mitigation tool by outlining strategies for overcoming challenges, such as ensuring security in your chosen location. A detailed plan enhances your chances of raising capital, as investors are more likely to trust and invest in a venture with meticulously thought out strategy. It fosters communication and collaboration opportunities, allowing for constructive feedback and refinement of ideas. Last but not least, your business plan forms the foundation for building your pro forma, which projects your financial outlook based on your strategic decisions. While both the business plan and pro forma serve similar functions with some overlap, they do differ in approach. The business plan provides a narrative description of your strategies, while the pro forma quantifies the financial outcomes of those strategies. Your business plan, with its narrative and financial projections, serves as a powerful tool for attracting investors, guiding your business decisions, and displaying your vision and preparedness for success. You'll be able to use your business plan to stay aligned with your initial business vision, to keep your partners working together towards the same goal, and to keep track of how your business is performing.